You're not stuck. You're just addicted to a version of yourself that no longer serves you. You wake up tired, scroll through your phone, repeat the same routine, and deep down, you know something has to change. But here's the truth. Most people wait for a perfect moment to change, and that moment never comes. You don't wait for change, you create it. And you can do it in just 30 days. Day 1 starts with awareness. Clean your space. Your physical environment reflects your mental state, so declutter your room, delete the toxic apps, and start making space for growth. In week 1, fix your rhythm. Sleep early, wake up before the noise begins. Use those first quiet hours to reflect, read, and realign. Week 2 is about control. Say no to distractions. Cut off energy-draining habits and people. Set boundaries. Turn off notifications. Reclaim your attention. Because the person you want to become is already trying to emerge, but you keep silencing them with noise. Week 3, it's time to move. Move your body every day. Sweat out the doubt. Write down your thoughts. Journal everything, the pain, the goals, the gratitude. Track your growth, even if it's slow, because slow progress is better than staying stuck. By week 4, you'll feel the shift. Now, do one thing every day that scares you but helps you grow. Speak up. Start that project, apply for that job, record that video, ask that question. This is where change becomes identity. And by day 30, you won't be perfect, but you'll be powerful. Imagine looking in the mirror and finally respecting the person staring back. The version of you who showed up, who changed, who refused to settle. That person is just 30 days away. Don't save this video. Live it.